Hello friends, my name is Sia and today we will be reading another story. It is called Colorful Garden. This book is all about how to plant flowers and fruits and seeds and how you can grow your plants. I hope you enjoy reading this book with me and come on, let's begin. Colorful Garden. Let's plant a flower garden, said Whitty to his friends. I like orange marigolds. Blue flowers are my favorite, said Boof the bear. Ooh, said Elephant, purple pansies and pretty pink snapdragons, added Lula. Yellow sunflowers go really tall like me, said Patches. So this is the first step that they're deciding on, planting which seed. Let's see what they choose. First, the friends chose a sunny spot and dug little holes in the ground. Then they sprinkled seeds into the holes. Patches softly patted the earth down with his trowel. Finally, they watered every spot. So it looks like these animals chose a sunny spot and then dug little holes to plant their seeds in. And then after that, they must have watered their spots. Looks like they chose snapdragon and pansies. Every week, the friends visited their little patch of dirt. They carefully watered the seedlings that were sprouting. Soon, said Lula, our flowers will peek out. So now these animals are visiting them every week so they can water them enough so that they will grow. By late spring, the garden was in bloom. Orange, pink, purple, yellow, and blue, squealed Whitty, with red ticklebugs and lots of green. Well, said Elephant, nodding some buggy holes, maybe a little less green. So these caterpillars have lots of room to eat. They're all crunching up the leaves. Caterpillars like eating leaves. They need them to grow big and strong. Now, it takes a few months for these flowers to grow into big gardens. Now they can play in the gardens all day long. Maybe a little more green, giggled Boof as Zoom Zoom jumped from a flower. What a colorful garden. Looks like their effort paid off. What a beautiful garden. The end. I hope you enjoyed reading this book with me, and I hope you come back for the next episodes of readings, crafts, learning, and more. Bye-bye for now.